The Region 5 COVID-19 Task Force is currently focusing on containing the spread of the virus in the region through a multi-stakeholder approach.
On Wednesday, the Regional Task Force of Region 5, Mahaika Barabis, engaged in a meeting to lay out plans to prevent further transmission of COVID-19 in the region. After being one of the regions with 0 cases since the beginning of the pandemic, the region announced its first case on Sunday last and has since proceeded to follow the necessary protocols.
We have identified patient 0, female patient, 66 years of age, who has been moved into isolation. We began contact tracing, and we were able to find those persons who were in immediate contact with patient 0, and those persons have also been placed into quarantine or isolation.
That was Regional Health Officer Dr. Desmond Nicholson. The focus is now being placed on preventing further transmission.
As a region, we have been doing our best to firstly prevent and to secondly contain or to mitigate any spread of COVID-19 within Region 5. The REOC, of which I am a member, aims to suppress the transmission of the virus and prevent any associated illness and death.
The Health Department of Region 5 has further created a rapid response emergency team.
We have established the rapid emergency response teams, and of which there are 3. And those teams comprise of doctors, nurses, and other pertinent staff of the health department who will be able to come to you, to meet you wherever you are, and to do proper screening in the interest of making a determination of whether or not you are a person of interest, a suspected case, whom we must investigate further.
Meanwhile, the Guyana Sugar Corporation, GAISUCO, has also been working to implement strict measures to protect staff at all estates, including the BLAIRMONT estate in Region 5.
As a company, conducted over 150 training sessions for our workers and staff, and at BLAIRMONT estate, which is in this region, over 31, and this will continue.
More than 18,000 face masks and a range of other personal protective equipment have been distributed from the beginning of the pandemic so far. In addition, the company is working on correcting transportation challenges for workers.
Our constraint is moving 2,000 workers with 18 lorries. So we had an issue in the first half of this year, which was from January to June when we were harvesting. And now that we have started our second half, we have moved towards employing and engaging additional lorries. Well, we will be moving from 18 to 30. So far, we have engaged 26 lorries. We still are to attract 4 more.
Deputy Regional Commander Superintendent Yonette Stevens said that the Guyana Police Force has enforced strict sanitization protocols in the region. She also said that persons and businesses were briefed about the COVID-19 orders and warned that breaching will result in persecution. Also, the Health Department of Region 5 has established a COVID-19 hotline under the leadership of the new Minister of Local Government and Regional Development, Honorable Nigel Daramlal.
As part of the measures, we were mandated by the Ministry of Local Government and Regional Development to establish COVID-19 hotlines.
Persons in Region 5 are advised to call the hotline if they have fever, cough, shortness of breath, or any other COVID-19 related symptoms. The numbers for the hotlines are 624-2000 or 624-9000. For InfoHub, AKEASHA BOODIE.